think he's dead.
He's dead. Hey, it's Chad from the Ranch Rat here, Rifle Bay 2. We've got the Donovan Manufacturing TRDT with our gas bleed holes on the upper receiver. We're gonna do a couple up and down drills. We're at about 110 yards. Let's see how quick this gun is to get on target, and then let's see what the recoil impulse looks like on a small target at distance. Super smooth, man. The dot isn't leaving targets. Because of the smooth recoil impulse, because of the gas bleed, we're slowing down the carrier a little bit. The gun doesn't leave a 10-inch plate at 50 yards. Transitions through targets really, really flat. Can't say enough about this gun, man. Reach out to Donovan Manufacturing and get this gun in your hand as soon as you can.